Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is December the 30th, 2024, and we're taking a look at our cashew apple trees. Okay, so Hurricane Milton caused them to tilt like this, and so I had to get rid of their top heaviness and allow them to reestablish. And so far this winter, we haven't had any freezes, but it has been an unusually cold winter. So coming up in the next 2 weeks, I think we're going to get some really cold weather. But for now, these cashews are holding steady and they're wanting to regrow really strong. So they're wanting to come back. You look down here, it's got some lower branches trying to pop out. So it's always good. I'll probably trim some of those if they extend out too far. But yeah, this thing's coming back. Got a lot of growth. Same thing over here. Right now we're coming back and I can't complain. I really wasn't too worried about these guys because they've always managed the weathers well. So going forward, hopefully through the freeze, if we get a freeze, they'll survive. The leaves probably won't, but the main trunk likely will, and then it'll all come back again. Let's go take a look at the other side of the yard. Now these cashew apples, they don't have a very strong root system, it seems, in the early years of their lives, but we have yet to witness the later years of their lives. So I wonder if the root structures will get better in time. But this is just Florida's sugar sand that they're growing in. There's nothing done to this soil. There's no amendments, just sugar sand. And they seem to like this environment. They produce heavily. So in the summertime, you're going to see that if you stay tuned and you watch some of those videos that I release later on in the summer. But yeah, they grow really well here. These guys didn't get affected by the storm nearly as badly as the other trees on the other side of the property, but I've got some dwarf ones. They really like sunlight. So if you don't have them out in ample sunlight, they'll look like this. And the reason is because the sun is over there in the south right now. So they get a lot of shade from this oak tree over here. So that's that. But yeah, the cashew apples, they do extremely well here in Florida. I'm on the border of zone 9B and 10A. So it's probably, you could probably go a little further north and get away with growing these, but if you get freezes that last longer than 24 hours, I think you would begin to struggle in trying to grow these. You can check the backstory at the top right at the end of this video, and that'll show you the beginning stages of all of my cashew apple trees on this property. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel grow, and stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of these cashews. Have a great day.